Hi friends, welcome back for next lectures. Lectures number is 18, PLC of Omron. We will go through software of CX Programmer version 9.5, instruction in comparisons. Last three lectures is arithmetic logics of functions. So we will discuss on there first the less than, and second the greater than, and third is equal than instructions. LDs, ends and off. LD is loads, ends and off. When will loads on execution condition when comparison result is true. Comparison result is true and output is on. And means on execution condition when comparison result is true, both is on, then will output is on. And or on execution condition when comparison is true, both is one is result is on and output is on. So we will go for make practice online through simulation through programmer. Now open the software and already create the program. We use the less than 310 and use 320 is the greater than and equal is 300, and also the same inputs 0.00 and output is the difference. Output is like 0.00 and 0.1 and 0.2. 0.2 is the equal than and 0.1 is greater than and 00 is less than. When will input is on? So first is check, and any have mind questions, so clear on this lectures for comparisons. So first simulation on this software through control plus work, control shift and W. This is the software through online simulation. So now this is check D100 value is 10 hundreds and D100 is value is 100. So both values equals, then flags on, equal flags on. So first I check the inputs is on. Inputs is control plus J, that is forcefully on. This is a shortcut key. So I think use the shortcut key control plus J 0.00 is on. Now value is data registers called data memory. So D100 is value is 100 and D100 is value is 100. Both is equal, the equal flag is on. Now we change the value D100. D110 is 100. So first I change the value D100. D100 value is 10. Suppose 10 value, that is 10, and this enters. Now 119, 90 value is a feed D100. 90 is less than for D110. So less than flag is on. Now if D100 value is more than and greater than for D110, then greater than flag is on. So again change this value. I think this is the 200, 222 enters. This is the greater than flags on because D100 value is more than D110 and greater than flags on. If you have any mind question, can you ask to me directly? I will definitely support through this video and PLC programming.